Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. To everyone who is new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Goldnessa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a new way on how to apply your wigs. So usually when I apply my wigs, I tend to apply the wig cap and then I glue it down, I cut the wig cap, and then I apply the wig, and then I apply glue to the wig, and then I'm done. But the whole process in general is just very time consuming, and I actually ran across a video on YouTube that shows you a different way on how to apply your wigs differently. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try out her method because it just seems so much easier to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that new method out. And because this new method was not my idea, I am gonna put her video link down below so you guys can go check her out. But if you want to see me do this method, then just keep on watching.
And we're going to remove the combs from the inside of this cap.
And well, we're gonna take off all the clips, but we're not gonna take off this back one. So I will set the link down below for these wig caps. I really love these ones because they don't have like a yellow or an orange tone to them. So if you guys want to get these wig caps, I'll set the link down below.
I'm going to spray this all over the cap. And then I'm going to blow dry it. So now I'm just going to cut away all the extra. As you can see, it's very secure.
So the only problem I would see with this is that you can't use your little hooks to even tighten the wigs. I don't know, I just don't see how. I just really need my hooks because my hair is just gonna fall out in the back. I just really need the hooks. If you have a lot of hair, I don't think this whole method is for you. This is really freaking annoying me. Now I just need to glue it on, but I really did not like how the glue got stuck onto the wig. Like,
Is that the hairline will be a little bit stiff.
I didn't like that. To apply the wig glue, I am going to go ahead and just put some glue on this synthetic flat brush and dab it on there, like in here. I'm gonna just open it up and then just get like little sections and dab it in there. So this is the end of the wig installation. I personally think that I need a lot of practice with this method. I feel like I already got my method already down, and that's why it's a lot easier. I just had a lot of complaints with the process. Like when I was gluing down the wig cap to the wig, my hairs were also gluing down, attaching to each other. So they were like kind of gelling down, if that makes sense. And I really didn't like it. Obviously, I could just brush it out. So okay, it didn't leave me any white spray marks, so that's cool. My other complaint would be that I usually like to attach my wig caps back here and then drag my wig forward so it wouldn't form this little clump that you see there. But she didn't have that issue. That's why I'm saying it was most likely that I messed up because, like I said, this was my first time trying it. But I usually like putting my wig cap back here and my wig a little bit more forward. The way she did it was basically putting the wig on top of the wig cap so you could see like a little line right there. And like I said, it's probably because it was my first time trying this. She didn't have a problem with that, but that was my issue. And also another complaint, if you do have a lot of hair, maybe this method wouldn't work for you. It was hard for me. So I was trying to just shove my hair back here because usually when I apply my wig caps, like I said, I apply my wig cap first just so all my hair could be snatched up, and then, you know, I end up cutting it with the scissors, but my hair is still like in a little sack right here. And then I like getting my back clip and grabbing that little sack that's back there and like hooking it onto the wig, if that makes sense. But like with this method, you can't really use the back clip, you could only use the hooks. So I mean, if you're the type of person to only use hooks, then I guess this method wouldn't really be a problem. But I really like the use of my back clip, which I couldn't use in this part of the video. It was just like the wig cap was on top of all like the lace of the wig, so I couldn't really use the back clip. I ended up like pulling the wig cap off the wig though and taking out the hook just so I can be able to use the hooks, because this wig is not perfectly fitted. So yeah, if you are the type of person to use the back clip and the hooks, maybe this method isn't for you. I honestly truly wanted to love this method. I'm not trying to bash on her or anything. Like, she did it like a pro. Most likely she had practice and she's just really good with wigs already. I'm not at her level at all, so don't take my word for it. Try it yourselves. What it is for me. But if you guys did like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, I will leave her video down below if you guys want to go check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.